My lord, before your lordships open the papers, one thing I must say, just now I've heard the earlier other case. This is not a dispute amongst or between the co-sharers. It is not a case of eviction of the tenant. It is neither a case of declarations. Then what it is? My lord, every citizen must try to protect their own property. There's no doubt about it. So my client admittedly is the owner of the property. There can be a dispute. There can be a dispute. So in order to protect his property, my lord, he wanted to construct a surrounding boundary wall. Now, the respondents, my client is simply as the party, my lord, private respondents, they claim there is a Kali Mundi. I say, is it so? On what basis? Do you have any paper to show that you have got a substantive right in the property? I could have understood that well, that you have purchased or advance possession, anything. My lord, they are actually doing this mischief. So I just approached the police, there is no other alternative. 144 application was filed. Then, my lord, I expected that, well, a direction to be given to the police authority to protect me so that I can construct. My lord, I just got, unfortunately, I've got one copy of the photograph. I've just asked them, why do you not bring 80 and police can investigate, I don't mind. Let them file a report, my lord, showing that, well, it is far away from that. The Kali temple, even if it is so far away from my land, this is the order of the day. With the blessing of the political party, they are trying to get this property. Let the police file a report, my lord. Yes, if it is found, it is inside that I can understand. Whatever I am saying on instructions, my lord. But they have got a mileage from that, from the order. They will get a mileage. For this, that is their paper and appeal. Unless ascertain measurement and others, it's not a fight between the co-sharer.
Lord, I am appearing for the private respondents, my lord. My lord, this land, my lord, this belongs to, there is a Bedi and there is a, my lord, Radha Krishna idol in this land. My lord, in every year, my lord, 24 Pohar is being held, which is a Mela, my lord, is being held. Now, this person, my lord, is a Sebait of that committee, my lord, who has, my lord, managed to purchase this land, my lord. He has managed to purchase the land. Thereafter, he has recorded the land, my lord, in his name. Now, my lord, not a single brick or any, my lord, sand has been stacked to construct any boundary wall. What he has done, my lord, he has come before this court to take possession of this land, so that he can possess this land by virtue of a court, order obtained from this court. Now, police is not the authority, my lord. This, my lord, Radha Krishna temple, 170 Bongab, my lord, it was, my lord, is there from that time, my lord. Now, my lord, he is trying to take possession of this land.
Who sold the property to them?
My lord, the who was the owner of the land? This land is being possessed, my lord, from long time.
Maybe possessed. If suppose the land was registered in the name of, let us say, XYZ, 3 private parties. There may be a temple, there may be some functions going on, etc. But if it is not a public property, it's a private property, somebody has sold the property to him.
Absolutely correct,
my lord. That may have been sold, but my lord, there is also, we are also the co-sharers, or we are the adjacent landowners, my lord, where the temple is being constructed. Now, the police is not the authority to demarcate the land.
That is correct, sir. Red Court cannot issue direction.
My lord.
But then, what is your right over that land?
My lord, over that plot of land, my lord, there is a Bedi where daily Seva Puja is.
They have purchased the entire property.
But my lord, this is by virtue of a, my lord, we have also, my lord, what I am praying, my lord, let them go before the civil court, my lord, to take possession of the city.
Lord, I'll take you from paragraph 10 of the impugned order, which is at page 167. Lord, even if, my lord, they do not, the private respondents do not have a right, I presume, my lord, they do not have a right. Well, police, my lord, should not venture into who has a right, who has better title. Police should not venture into it. That is what, my lord, exactly, my lord, has been quoted in paragraph 10, your lordship will see at page 167 of the impugned order.
But what I'm asking for,
your vendor should have put you in possession of the property.
Yes.
Then why do you require
No, my lord,
order?
Because they are creating the problem. Just now, my lord heard that we are performing puja. Can they produce a single scrap of paper? I'll not place my appeal. Let them produce. They see more than 100 years.
Police can investigate if he is committed any criminal offense. But he cannot come and stand before your property and see supervise your construction.
Mal.
That cannot be done. If you lodge a complaint, if he has come, if according to you there's a case of trespass, they will register, investigate, and then proceed to file.
My lord, we have already, my lord, registered cases under 107 of the CRPC
Hmm.
and ensuring there is no breach of peace. That much, my lord, we are duty bound and we are doing, my lord.
If there is a breach of peace, then smoothly I can go on with my work. Kindly pass whatever laws you think fit. Order, whatever laws you think fit.
All.
If it is not, there is a breach of peace, protection.
This intra-court appeal is directed by the petitioner, directed against the order dated 14/11/2023. The petitioner sought for police assistance / police protection to enable them to put up a boundary wall around the property which they have stated to have purchased by a registered deed of conveyance. The learned single bench in our view rightly held that the police is not vested with the power to decide on the issue of the boundary line of an immovable property. The learned government council submitted that already a case has been registered under section 107 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and the matter is pending. However, if any criminal offence is alleged to have been committed with a private respondent, that will not prevent the appellant writ petitioner from lodging a police complaint, which can be inquired into by the police and action be taken in accordance with law. With this observation, we find no grounds to, except for these observations, we find no grounds to interfere with the possible. Yes, sir.
As you know, I'm getting.
Grateful, my lord.
Actually, I had a privilege to work with the grandfather of Justice Tandon.